Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars. Today we are introducing this one to the inventory. This is a 2024 Lincoln Aviator Premier. We got this here locally in Houston. It's a one owner, very beautiful car. That paint is ceramic pearl metallic. Very nice. I haven't seen this color before in person and I really do like it. The interior is sandstone, so it's that light beige interior and they really go well together. This one is a premium package. It's got heated seats, pano roof. It's got the middle captain's chairs, 20-inch wheels. It's got the rear cam, of course. Lane keeping, all the driver assistance stuff. Remote start. Does have third row. Power gate, power folding rear seats. Really well equipped. I've got both keys, all the books, the window sticker, service records. This one has almost 24,000 miles, not quite. Really clean. Take a quick look inside. Of course, it's got a clean Carfax as well, clean title. There's those nice bucket seats in the back that everybody likes. 4-zone climate control, pano roof, nice sound system. These are probably some of the most comfortable seats in the game. I will say they are very comfortable, like a lazy boy comfortable. You can see the thick padding on these things. They're like really nice. And of course they're very adjustable. You can make all sorts of adjustments on the seats. Big screen, navigation, CarPlay, all that tech. It's pretty standard now in all these luxury vehicles. Very nice. No scratches, no dents, no wheel scuffs. Tires are great. No issues at all. This one's ready to go. Call me, text me. You can email. I will respond quickly to all the inquiries that I get. We can work with any bank that will work with us. If you need financing, I do have some recommendations. You can go to my website and click on the financing. There's an app there. Cash deals are easy. Can ship this to you anywhere in the country. Maybe half of my deals go out of state. So that's very easy. We can ship it right to your driveway, no problem. And it's really not as expensive as you think to ship a car. So give me a call and I'll shoot you a quote. All right, guys, hope to hear from you soon. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of stuff on my shorts as well. Instagram is Rogers_motorcars. And a lot of stuff we do up to date there as well. Facebook, we're everywhere. Like, subscribe, do all that for me, and we'll talk later. Thank you.